Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I do have this labeled as potentially being a wave 5. We did have a big rejection right at these fib extension levels. I personally think this right here is a trend, and this is a crescent, and this is a trend, which would most likely make that a 1, 2, and 3. If this really is a wave 3, which I believe it is, then this has actually got a lot of upside potential. I think it's going to actually go beyond these next Fibonacci levels and potentially go a lot higher than that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I actually think that this uptrend back here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. I believe we're in a wave 3 right now, and that this eventually is going to end the crescent and just keep on trending up. Maybe like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and eventually make a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's definitely a little messy. I mean, it's a little easier to see on the 4 hour, but I would almost call this three ways down, three ways up, which is why I was originally thinking that this would actually, go down and take out this low before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend, which I still think is pretty possible. Like this is W, X, and then Y. And a wave Y should be 1, 2, 3 ways down and then back up again. So either way, let's take it down to the 4 hour because on the 4 hour time frame, you can definitely see that we have a downtrend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we definitely got a break of structure. I was originally thinking that this was going to go down quite a bit further, but seeing the impulsive up, which definitely the impulsive up has 5 waves, and then seeing this move down, which looks pretty corrective. If this makes an impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I personally would take it as a long. I mean, I was originally thinking this was going to go down, but price action is starting to lead us to believe that this could just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour, we do have impulsive down, corrective up, and impulsive down to a Fibonacci level. All we really need to see now is a big engulfing bullish move. If we see a big engulfing candle, bullish candle, then I would definitely take that as a long, because at that point I would say that this really is the end of an ABC crescent. And according to the higher time frames, the trend is up, and the higher probability trades are going to be looking for longs in an uptrend. So if I see ABC down and golfing up, I would definitely take it for a long. If I don't see that, and these candles do not turning into all engulfing candles, then I would not go long. That's kind of the important part. You kind of have to wait for confirmation, and confirmation to me is going to be in a candle that looks like that. And yeah, you may have to wait a little while, but boy, if you enter there and it turns it out doing something like that, that's going to be an extremely good risk to reward ratio. But don't enter unless you see this picture right here to save yourself the aggravation of a losing trade. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.